Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram is not working today or Instagram keeps stopping problem of your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to settings. Scroll down and find out apps. Open it. Search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Tap on force stop, then tap OK. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap on OK or delete. Now move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Instagram app. Log into your account. I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then open your Play Store. Search for Instagram. If you found any available update for your Instagram app, then update the application. After completing the process, open your Instagram application from here. I hope your problem will be fixed.